What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin again. And as you can see, we are still trading sideways here with Doge. We have been going up and down, but we're still going sideways ultimately. As you can see, this is really the chart that we've been following this whole time. We've just been going up, but like barely anything, and we're staying around this 27 cent line. So we're seeing a lot of resistance here. Dogecoin definitely wants to break out. We can all see this, and we can definitely expect something to happen. We just have to continue to wait here. But that isn't really what this video here is about. I'm just tracking Dogecoin right here. But really, this video is about this right here. So let's refresh this page so we can see our current market cap and price. So if the current price right now is 27 cents and we also have a current market cap of $34 billion, that's $34.9 billion right there, then our 24-hour trading volume is 4.4 billion and our circulating volume is 129 billion Doge. So that's how much Doge that we have circulating right now. So this is just a little video doing some math here. So in order for us to reach $1 inside of Doge would have to have a market cap of $129 billion. So, and the way we would find that out is taking the current number of Doge right here, which is $129 billion. I already have it copy and pasted, so I'll just do that. And then you would just multiply it by the current price of Doge, or the price that you want to get to. And the price we want would be $1, which anything's by $1 is itself. So we would need $129 billion to have $1 inside Doge. And that would go up. If we want $2 in Doge, we would have to see $258 billion inside of Doge. So you can see where I'm going with this. If we are going to hit like $10 like people are going to say, then that would mean that we are at $1 trillion and we would be just past Bitcoin there. So that's something to think about. So am I saying Doge will never get to $10? No, but the US dollar would have to inflate a lot for Doge to reach that price, and we would have to print even more money into the circulation, which is actually about to happen. They're talking about another stimulus, but that may or may not happen. But yeah, that's one of the only ways we can really reach $10 in Doge in a really fast period of time, unless we had multiple people like Elon Musk put all of their money inside of Doge. And even if they did all of that, I don't think they would even reach to half of what we need to reach to get there. So yeah, $1.29 trillion is a lot of money. So $10 Dogecoin will not happen this year, and it will not happen next year. But $1 Dogecoin can definitely happen this year and can definitely happen next year. So that's really what this video is about. It's about being realistic. Realistically, we can get to $1, but we cannot get to $1 inside of 1 month. We cannot get to $1 in 2 months. Well, 3 maybe. I think what we have tonight, the news with Mark Cuban and Ellen DeGeneres show, that will help bring up Dogecoin a little bit, but it will not bring Dogecoin all the way up to $1. And the same thing with the Elon Musk thing with the Saturday Night Live news on May 8th. That also will not bring Doge to $1 unless Elon Musk put half of his earnings inside of Doge, like all of his money, like half of his net worth in Doge. And then they would almost reach the point that they need to get to $1. So that's what we have to think about. That is really big right there. And what it would take would be for Jeff Bezos to put in his whole entire net worth into Dogecoin for it to go to $1. That is a perspective to look at it. Or actually, I think it's 85% because he is like 195 billion up right now. But yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, about 85% of his net worth into Doge for it to go up to $1. And that's with him owning all of it himself. If he were to put it into it now, it would take about 60, maybe 50% of his net worth to bring it up there. So that's something to think about there. So we are not going to see $1 Doge like instantly overnight, but we will see $1 Doge over time. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, let's just multiply this. Let's say we get Doge to 30 cents here. And if we get to Doge to 30 cents now, we would have $38 billion market cap. And let's do even more math here. Let's get Doge to, let's say where we want, which is our target price, which is at about 50 cents and 60 cents. So let's say 55-cent target price. We would need to have a $71 billion market cap in Doge for 55 cents. And before Doge Day 420, we actually had a huge market cap with Doge. but it did not get all the way up to where we needed to be all the way up there. But let's look at where we had back then. We had at 45 cents. That was the high for Doge, the complete high there. So let's see what we have here for Doge. Multiply that by Doge's number on 420, which was around 45 cents. So yeah, we had about $58 billion in market cap. So you just have to think, to get to $71 billion in market cap, we would need about let's actually subtract here. Let's see what we would need there. Or no, wrong number. Alright, let's see how much we would need for 55 cents. I need to clear this out and click the wrong button. Alright, here we go. Right there, and then multiply this by 45 cents here, and then our market cap would have to be 58 billion to have it back at 45 cents. And then in order to go to 55 cents, it would be at 71 billion. So yeah, it would be 58 billion minus 71 billion. So that's what we would have to do there, and we would probably have an outcome like that, around 26 billion more, or 12 billion more so in market cap. But yeah, as you can see, Dogecoin is definitely has a lot of money to grow. If it wants to get to all the way up to $1, we would need $129 billion to be at $1. So that's definitely something we need to think about here with Dogecoin, because especially if we were all the way up here at $45 billion, or not 45 billion, but 45 billion in market cap. But yeah, 45 billion in market cap, which we were all the way at 58 billion when we hit 45 cents. So that's something to think about with Doge. In order to get all the way up to even 55 cents, we would need a lot of money inside of Doge. So we can definitely do that. And with this news with Elon and all this other news going on, we are going to have a lot of growth with Doge. And the Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk is definitely going to help drive the price. And with BitPay doing a bunch of new things, like the car dealership we did a video on earlier, where we looked at the car dealership in Houston that is actually accepting Doge as payment through BitPay. So there's a lot of things going on here with Doge. So yeah, we have a lot of Doge memes constantly here on Twitter too. So that actually helps the price, believe it or not. But yeah, we see all of these to the moon memes here. Elon Musk to the moon. It's inevitable. Dogecoin standard over the global financial system. That's probably one of the funniest memes that they have with Dogecoin. But we have a lot of different memes here at Dogecoin. And if we look at the top for Dogecoin, I actually want to look at that we just had. Petition asking Amazon. Oh yeah, so sign up for this petition. I already signed up for it, and you pretty much just either send a little donation through, or you share it on your social media. I shared it on my Twitter. But yeah, we can get there on Chef Bezos inside of Amazon if we have Dogecoin rise. So we need to do this petition. So I would definitely say do this petition. I've already done it, but we're going to continue to rise here with Dogecoin. And we're going to continue to have these memes that help people stay strong here at Dogecoin. And for our top post, as we've seen here with our Houston dealership that has all these supercars that they now accept Dogecoin for. So that's millions of dollars going through Dogecoin. So yeah, this is just a little short update of how we should see Dogecoin realistically. And realistically, in order to get to as you know, about 50 cents, 55 cents, that's the price target right now, our short-term price target. And as we had there, we had $58 billion, and then we had 71 billion inside of market cap, or 71 billion inside of market cap. So that's how we need to get there. 58 billion in market cap, it was what we need to get back to our 45 cents. And then 71 billion in market cap is what we need to get to 55, and so on. We need to continue to put more money into Doge, and it will help pump the price up. But this is pretty much how we grow in Doge. The Doge community grows itself. So that's what really makes Doge such a good investment. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and invest at your own will. But yeah, definitely only invest what you're willing to lose in Doge or any other crypto at that, because it's all risky. Everything here is risky. So you don't want to lose all your money inside of one risky investment. So I would definitely say just only invest what you're willing to lose. Just a small amount, I guess, if you want to. but that is up to you. As you can see, Houston Rockets, look at this, Dogecoin, they're now accepting Dogecoin here. We got the Houston Rockets accepting Dogecoin. We have the Mavericks accepting Dogecoin. There's a lot of things going on here with Dogecoin. So a lot of money is now being circulated through Dogecoin. And this 4.4 billion trading volume for the last 24 hours is actually going to go up now that we have a lot more money being circulated through Dogecoin. And now they're actually circulating money through Dogecoin through supercars with the Houston dealership. So actually a lot of things are happening in Texas, and I wouldn't doubt that because Elon Musk is really big with Texas now that he has his factory there. So this is really big news for Dogecoin here, and a lot of good things are going to happen here. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but if you want a free stock, go ahead and hit the description and you will get a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull. And you can now get Doge on Webull, so definitely do that. And I'll be back with another video.